Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Hivecoin. In my previous video, we were watching how Hivecoin was breaking out a very big falling wedge pattern, and now after this breakout, the price line is retesting the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my most recent trade signal of Hivecoin that I shared a few days back with my members on 30th of January 2023, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move. You can see when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg of this bad move. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price line on this 4-hour time frame chart, that the price line can drop more down and complete this final leg of bad. And by the way, this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after the completion of this leg, we can expect a price reversal. Now, after playing this chart, you can see that the price line dropped more down, completed this leg here, and from this potential reversals on, it started a very powerful pump. And by the way, this was more than 62% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern with US dollar pair that was formed on the 2-day time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very, very powerful and massive reversal move. This was, by the way, more than 1100% move on this 2-day time frame chart. Within next few days, it was surged more than 1100%. Now, let me to take you on this live weekly time frame chart. And here we have been following this very big falling wedge pattern of Hive coin that Hive coin has formed here on the weekly time frame chart. And you can see after the breakout, we had a long spike where the price then could not continue its move to the upside. And right now it is testing the previous resistance of the wedge as a support. That is a very nice gesture, by the way, because after such retest, the price line most of the time starts the next reversal move to continue its rally to the upside. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then this was a rising wedge pattern. When I shared my last video at that time, it was breaking out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. We had a nice pump, and by the way, the target after the breakout from this rising wedge pattern was here. That was approximately at 55.4 cents, and you can see that the price line moved up to 62.88 cents. That was beyond the target, but now unfortunately it has re-entered the same wedge and bounced from the same support of this rising wedge pattern. You can see it dropped down here. We have 2 touch points more here, and now it is again struggling to break out the same rising wedge pattern on this daily time frame chart. Now, if it breaks out this resistance, then this time the target can be slightly up than the previous one. Uh, this time we can expect a move up to 57.4 cents. And you can see that we have already broken out a very, very big falling wedge pattern. Therefore, once the price end will start the reversal move from here, I'm expecting that after breaking out this uptrend line resistance of this rising wedge pattern, this move on the weekly time frame chart will be continued to the upside. Our final target, by the way, for this big breakout from this falling wedge pattern is approximately at $3.50 to $4. That is the top of this falling wedge pattern. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.